Alright guys, so there was the first startup of my Trane for 2026. Yep, it's official. Cooling season is almost here. Or it pretty much is, because it's 78 today. I think that's what it got up to. So here's the Trane running. Has an Alliance scroll compressor. Tech fan motor. (2008) 3-ton 13 SEER, and it's not a heat pump. Oh, that's about outdoor temperature, and that's ice cold. Well, I can finally say that again, because cooling season is officially here. I know it's February, but we have weird weather. And then the neighbor's Carrier Sentry started up before my Trane. Emerson Cope and Scroll. Zhongshan Broad Ocean fan motor. (2022) 3-ton. And that's ice cold as well. And there goes the Sentry. Here's a better look at the Emerson Cope and Scroll. And you know what? I may try for a shutdown of the Trane. And I'm going to do that in a separate video and then just combine the two, as well as the Sentry starting up before the Trane. I've gotten the spin down plenty of times on this, so no need to get it again. But yeah, we're going to try for a shutdown, so thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.